There we go.
I touched grass.
A Genshin player that touched grass for once.
Yes.
Oh yes.
It's very different experience for me. Yeah. Nice grass. No, I want eat grass.
Jesus. So we got a thing called Dynamic Island. Let's just... Oh, this camera focusing sucks. Yeah.
Oh yeah, true.
There we go, now it's focused. So Dynamic Island, I'll play something.
Video.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Mute it. Yeah, let's say if I wanna... Yep. Play that. Alright. Swipe that. Tap and hold. And you can next or previous. Then you tap it, it goes straight into the app. Go to timer, set a timer for 3 hours or something like that. Yeah.
Anything really, yeah.
And it shows on the top.
Of course.
There you go. 3 hours. So tap there, you can switch timer, tap your switch. If you look under the light, there should be like a bit of a punch hole. You see the cutout? Well, that's Dynamic Island. That's like the only feature.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Are people gonna buy this phone? Oh,
yeah.
I mean, there's the camera as well. 60, 4K, oh yeah. 1x lens, yeah. See how detailed that is. And then for photos, we shoot in RAW. With that 48 megapixel lens.
Yeah, the same.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. So, yeah. I mean, that's all there is to it. At least you got a SIM card tray.
Just to take it out, put my one in, it's fine, it will still work.
Yeah, but obviously, yeah, see, Dynamic Island, again, charging. So, yeah, we'll meet you guys there and we gotta get the phone. Package is here. There you go. That's my new phone. Oh, that's a dead end. Wow, they ship with no packing in this. Oh yeah, 14 Pro Max. Let's take the peel off. Oh yeah. Look at that massive camera hump. Wow. Look at that deep purple color, man. So we got our share of lightning. It's not braided to USB-C, and we got our guide and manuals here. This one does have a SIM tray because, you know, we still use SIM here in Australia. Let's take it up. That's the charging port. Oh yeah, look at that. The phone looks like new. You see that? Oh yeah. Look at that. Like the stainless steel. Oh, that looks premium, innit? We got 5G, let's go. Still transferring though. Oh gosh. I got this case here, let's see how well it goes with the... Oh, that actually goes really well actually. See? This case color is a cousin has a special looking case with the phone. Just looks like something else. Alright, let's just snap it on and see how it looks. So now we're going to apply some of this. Some went over my hand, but that's fine. I'll just wipe it off. There we go. Is that white? I don't. The screen is so clean. So I'm gonna peel this off. And then I just have to align. Oh my gosh, look how sticky it is. I'm gonna take this screen protector out of the plastic wrapping. This is top here. I put it the wrong way. Jesus. So I have to pull it out first. Going to place the bracket on the top to the bottom. Just like so. And then press the screen protector on the top and slide open and then cut it slowly. Oh, it's coming down. Oh my gosh, you see that? It like the air sucked in. Oh no, I still got a spot in the middle with a little more alcohol.
Oh gosh. Finish watching it. It's using my button.
Here we go, screen protector applied. Nice.
Beautiful.
So you see when I talk in this side, you can see the waveframes going up and down. If I tap, it goes into the phone call that I use. It shows on the dynamic orange. But I have to face my camera as far as possible because the infrared is really sensitive on this one. See, it's now like here, and I can pick up a call just like that, and when I want more call, I can just tap in there. I want to go home, and there it is on the top, just like that. It's a bit pale, but you can see there's the dynamic island, and there's a dynamic island, static island. Alright. Ultra wide, the RX 100 Mark review of this camera in
Very big.
60, yeah, very big.
Yeah.
Flip out screen.
佢唔貴，但係2、3千咁樣就好。
That's how you film like a product. How detailed it looks.